everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your locksmith business. So I'm an owner of a locksmith business and I receive a lot of inquiries by my customers on WhatsApp. And replying to each one of them individually and manually is very time consuming and hectic. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now as I've created this bot, whenever I receive any of the messages from my customers on WhatsApp, this bot is automatically going to reply to them. This bot can share the services, prices as well as the other details to my customer automatically. So now if you want to learn how to create this WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a smart, interactive WhatsApp chatbot for your locksmith business with Pabbly Chatflow. So first of all, I'm going to show you how this bot works from the customer's point of view, how it asks their name and email, presents service options, and provide instant replies. So this is the bot that I've created right over here, and I am going to send this bot a message. So let's suppose I'm going to send a message over here as help. Okay, so I'm going to send this message to this bot as help. I have received this message. Hello, welcome to Quick Locks Expert. It is asking for my name. So let's suppose for my name over here, I'm going to send it as test right here. It says, thank you, test. Could you share your email? For the email over here, I'm going to write it as test@pabblytudes.com. Okay, so this is my email. I'm going to send this email right here. And as soon as I'm going to do that, I have received this other message. I'm going to select an option from here and you can see this bot is automatically replying to my messages. So now we are going to dive into the backend and I'll show you step-by-step process how to build this bot inside Pabbly Chatflow with no coding skills required. Whether you run a locksmith service or any small business, this chatbot is going to save you time and engage customers 24/7. So now we are going to create this amazing bot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, what we are going to do is, on a new page, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So I'm going to browse this website right over here, and then Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. As I'm an existing user, I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. Then the All Pabbly Apps window is going to appear in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. So now, what is Pabbly Chatflow? Pabbly Chatflow is a tool that helps businesses to send WhatsApp messages effortlessly and manage the conversation. It allows us to create message flows that automatically replies to our customers at any time. In Pabbly Chatflow, you are going to be provided with number of features that we are going to take an overview in this video one by one. In order to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, we have to add a WhatsApp number. For that, click right over here and select the manual token connect right here. So now over here it is asking for all these details, and you can find all these details in your WhatsApp Cloud API account. In order to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, you need to connect your WhatsApp number using WhatsApp Cloud API account right here. In order to learn how you can set up your own Pabbly Chatflow account, you can find this video on the dashboard itself, that is add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow using WhatsApp Cloud API. And as you're going to see the tutorial, you are going to learn how you can set up your own account inside Pabbly Chatflow. Then on the dashboard, you can see the WhatsApp message credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the numbers added. You can add multiple WhatsApp numbers in your Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to add those multiple numbers in different folders, you can also create different folders in your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus button right here. Name the folder and you can create your own folders. Okay. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow account. Now we are going to take an overview of each feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Firstly, from the left side, we are going to discuss about the inbox. So what is Inbox? Inbox is a page on which you can manage all the conversations with your customers or users. On the left side, you can see all the chat. As you go to select one of the chat, the entire conversation is going to appear in front of you with that customer right here, okay? As well as you can also see the details of your contact on the right side right over here, okay? So this is the inbox section on which you can manage the conversations with your customers. After the inbox section, we are going to look into the contacts page of our Pabbly Chatflow account. Under contacts, you'll find all the people who have messaged you along with the details and chat history. This is going to help you to follow up or reconnect anytime. Next, we're going to talk about team queues. Team queues lets you assign chats to different team members or departments so every message goes to the right person automatically. Next, we're going to talk about templates. Templates are ready-to-made messages that can be sent instantly. They are perfect for replying faster to common questions. Over here, you can also find the pre-created templates on the Explore template page right here. Next, we are going to talk about the broadcast. With broadcast, you can send one message to multiple contacts at once. It's great for promotions, offers, or important updates in businesses. Next, we're going to talk about flows. Flows allows us to create automated chatbot conversations. This saves you time by answering common queries even when you're not online. After that, we have this new feature by Pabbly Chatflow, that is AI Assistant. Over here, you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base and answer questions, solve problems, and engage prospects effortlessly. We are going to create and upload a video on AI assistants very soon. Next, we are going to talk about settings. In settings, we have opt-in management, inbox settings, contact custom fields, tags, quick replies, chat assignment rules, configure SLAs, notification preferences, and time zone. If you want to see the brief of each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow, we have uploaded all the videos already on our account. And if you have any other questions, you can directly go to this Get Help page right over here and ask question right over here. And you can find all the videos as well on this Get Help page right here, okay? So now as we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, for that I'm going to open the flow builder page of my Pabbly Chatflow account. As when we are going to create a flow, a bot is going to be created. On the flow builder page, you can find the total number of flows that you have created, active flows and the inactive flows. And if you're going to scroll down, you can see all the flows that you have created inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And now to create a new flow in our account, click on this top right corner button, Add Flow right here. Then you're going to see a new flow has been created in our Pabbly Chatflow account. And firstly, I'm going to rename this bot. And the name of this bot is going to be WhatsApp Chatbot for your Locksmith business. Okay, so this is the name I want to give to this bot. After giving the name, it says flow start. How this flow that we are creating is going to be triggered. There are three methods: keywords, regex, or choose template. So firstly, we're going to discuss about keywords. So let's suppose a customer sends me a message as hello, hi, hey, help, or any other word. We can add those words in this keyword field right here, and if any customer sends us any of those words, automatically this flow is going to be triggered from here. Next is regex. So let's suppose in place of keywords, a customer asks me a query. What are the services that you provide in your business? A customer has asked me this question. This question can be asked by different customers in different patterns. Let's suppose another customer asked me the same question as, tell me about the different services in your business. Another customer asked, can you tell me about the services that you provide? You can see this is the same question. It is asked just in different patterns of the sentences. So how this bot that we are creating can sense those patterns with the help of regex. In regex, you have to enter the words in a particular pattern and then toggle the button on right over here. And as soon as you're going to do that, this bot is going to sense few words from the phrases and this bot is going to be triggered from here. It is not mandatory to toggle the button on after entering the regex. Toggle the button on for each sensitive regex only, okay? And the last one is choose template. So let's suppose you have run a broadcast in which you have sent a template message to multiple customers at once. So you can choose the template right over here, and if the customer selects any of the buttons from the template, the bot is going to be triggered from here. In this video, I'm going to use the keywords only. So let's suppose my first keyword over here is hey. So I'm going to write the word hey and then press the enter key to save the keyword. Next is hello. I'm going to enter it. Hi and then help. Okay, so these are the keywords that I've entered. You can enter more keywords according to your requirement. Okay, I don't want to enter the regex or the choose templates, so I'm going to skip the part. So where from these words the bot is going to be triggered. So now, what is the first message that this bot should send to my customer if they send me any of these keywords as a message on WhatsApp? Firstly, I want to collect my customers' details like their name and their email address. So we are going to ask a question after we received any of their messages. For asking question, on the left side, go to actions and select this ask question field, drag it and drop it over here in this field. This is the ask question field, and my first question over here is going to be, so this is my first question, that is hello, welcome to Quick Lock Experts, your trusted locksmith service. To get started, may I know your good name? So this bot is firstly asking for the good name of my customer. So now the customer is going to tell me their name after this message. I want to create the record of the data of their name. For that, you can use this amazing feature by Pabbly, that is contact custom fields. You can create multiple contact custom fields in your Pabbly Chatflow account, and in the contact custom field, you can save the record of your customer's detail. So as the customer is telling me their name, I have created a contact custom field in the name of full name. You can see right over here. So for the drop down, I'm going to select the contact custom field of full name. So as the customer is going to tell me their name after this message, automatically the data is going to be recorded under the contact custom field, their name. Okay. After that, it is asking for the format of the reply. I'm going to receive the reply over here as text. So I'm going to select the format as text. For the number of attempts, I'm only giving one attempt. And for the validation message over here, I'm going to write it as error. So let's suppose if a customer doesn't give me the reply in the selected format, they are going to receive a validation message as error right here. Okay. So this is the first question that is going to be forwarded towards my customer if they send any of the keywords from here. So now I want to connect this question field to this flow start. For that, simply from this point, drag it and connect to the question field right here. You can see an arrow. This means the flow start is connected to this question right here. After collecting the data of the name of my customer, I want to ask about their email address. For that, simply add another ask question field over here in this flow. And the message over here is going to be, so this is my question right here, that is thank you, full name. So over here in this first message, a customer is going to tell me their name. The record of it is going to be created in this field, that is full name right here. Now I want to extract the data of the name that my customer has stored and add it in this message right here to make it more personalized. So over here, that is, I've added the name of the contact custom field, that is full name. You can see this was the same name I've added, and in front of it, I have added a $sign. So let's suppose to this message, a customer replies their name as test user. So this message is going to be thank you, test user. Okay. It says, could you please share your email address so that we can assist you better? So for the email address, I have created a contact custom field of email. So I'm going to select that email address field. Format is going to be email. Number of attempts 1, and the validation message over here is going to be error. Okay. So this is the second message going to be forwarded towards my customer after collecting the data of their name. I'm going to connect both of the question fields. Okay. So after collecting the name and the email, I've collected all the required details through this bot. Now I want to send an image to my customer of the most selling log in my business. With that, I want to give them a greeting as well as provide them the option of the most asked inquiries. So now firstly, as I want to send them the most selling log image, for that I'm going to simply drag the point of this question and drop it in this field. Content type, I'm going to select it as media, as firstly I'm going to add an image. Media type is going to be image. If you want video, audio, or document, you can select the details according to your requirement. I want it as image. It is asking for the paste URL. Either you can directly paste the media URL in this field or upload it directly right here. For that, click on this button. This window is going to appear in front of you, and this is the log image. I'm going to open this image over here in this field. And as I'm going to do that within few seconds, you can see the image has been uploaded in this message. Now over here, I'm going to add a content. I want to add a message. For that, click on this add content button. Choose the content type as text plus button. And for the message over here, the greetings, I'm going to write it as... So this is the message that I've written. Awesome, you're all set, dollar full name. How can we help you today? Please choose an option. For the option, we are going to add a button in this message. For that, click on this add button option right here. Now we need to name our first button. So the name of my first button over here is going to be... So this is the name of my first button, that is types of services. Using this button, my customer can know about the services that I provide in my business. I want to add another button over here in this message, and the name of my second button over here is going to be Smart Locks. Using this button, a customer can know about the smart locks that I provide in my business. After that, I'm going to add my last button over here in this message, that is going to be pricing details. Using this, my customer can know the basic pricing of all the services that I provide. In a message, you can add only maximum number of 3 buttons. So these are all my 3 buttons. So now what message should be forwarded towards my customer if they select this button, that is types of service. For adding the message from this point, drag it and drop it in this flow. Content type is going to be text plus button. And the message for this button is going to be... So this is the message that I've written right over here for the types of services. At Quick Lock Experts, we offer emergency lock assistance, key duplication, lock repair and replacement, new lock installations, car key and remote services, and safe unlocking. You can see right over here, these are all the services that I provide. It says need help with any of these, then you can contact us directly. So now over here it says you can contact us directly. So I'm going to add a button over here, and the name of the button over here is going to be contact us. So as I've added that they can contact us directly, so I've added this button of contact us right over here, and as soon as they're going to click on this button, they'll receive the email address and my phone number. So I'm going to add a message for this button. Choose the content type as text plus button, and for the message for the contact us button, I'm going to write it as... So this is my contact us button message. You can reach out Quick Lock Experts anytime. This is the email address right over here and the phone number. Our team is available 24/7 to assist you. So this is the message that is going to be forwarded towards my customer with this button, contact us. So as now my first button setup is done, now my second button is smart lock. So I'm going to add a message over here. Content type is text plus button. And for the message over here, I'm going to write it as... So this is the message for the smart locks. Thinking of upgrading your house or office security? Smart lock experts offer... Quick Lock Experts offer the latest smart lock technology. These are all the lock names right here. Click on contact us and we'll connect you with a specialist. So you can see right over here, this is the message that is going to be forwarded. And in this message also, I want to add a button of contact us. So I'm going to copy this name of the button from here and paste it right over here. Okay. Now I am going to send them the details of my phone number and the email with this button only. So this is the same message that is going to be forwarded towards my customer for this button, contact us. So I'm going to connect this button to this message as well. Okay. In the similar manner, now I have my third button, that is pricing details. So over here, I'm going to enter the message. Content type is going to be text plus button. And for the message of the pricing details, I'm going to write it as... So this is my message right here. Here's a general pricing guide for Quick Lock Experts, all prices in INR. These are all the prices: emergency lockout, key duplication, lock installation, smart lock setups, safe unlocking. You can see right over here, these are all the details. For an expect quote, you let us know your service requirement and location. For that, click on the contact us button below. So I'm going to add the contact us button. I'm going to copy this name of the button and paste it over here in this message as well. And for the message of contact us, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this contact us button with this message as well. Okay. And yes, lastly, I want to tell you that I want to also add a button in this contact us message right here. And the name of the button over here is going to be back to main menu. Using this button, the customer can go back to this main menu right here. So simply, I'm going to connect this button to this main message right over here. So this is the entire bot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow for my Locksmith business. So now in order to save this flow that I've created, click on the save button on the top right corner. It says flow updated successfully. So this is the entire flow and we have saved this flow right here. So now I'm going to test this flow. And how? I'm going to send this bot a WhatsApp message through my number, and after doing that I'm going to check whether automatically this bot replies to all my messages or not. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp number and this is the bot that I've created. Towards this bot over here, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message. Let's suppose as help. I'm going to send this message to this bot right here. And automatically in front of you can see this bot has replied. Hello, welcome to Quick Lock Experts, your trusted locksmith service. To get started, may I know your good name? Let's suppose for the good name over here, I'm going to write it as demo account. Okay, so I'm going to send this name to this bot right here. It says, thank you demo account. Could you share your email address? For the email address over here, I'm going to write it as demo@pabblytudes.com. This is the email address. I forwarded it. You can see I've received a message. Awesome, you're all set demo account. How can we help you today? Please select an option. For the option, I want to know the types of services. So I'm going to select this option from here. And yes, I've also received the image of most selling lock right here as well. Okay. As I've selected the types of services, I've received the types of services. You can see right over here and it says need help or any of these. Then you can contact us directly. So I'm going to click on this contact us button right here and automatically I have received this message with the email address and the phone number of the business. Now I want to go back to the main menu. So I'm going to select this option from here. Automatically I've received this main menu option again. I want to know about the smart locks. So I'm going to select this option from here. These are all the smart locks you can see right over here. Click on contact us. We'll connect you with a specialist. So I'm going to click on this contact us button and automatically I've received the email address and the phone number again. I'm going to go back to the main menu and I want to know about the pricing details. So I'm going to select this pricing details option. And you can see over here I've received all the pricing details. So I'm going to click on this contact us to contact the business and I've received the email address and the phone number. So you can see this bot is auto replying to all my messages. As this bot is auto replying, this means this bot has been created successfully using Pabbly Chatflow. So now as a business owner, if you want to check the conversation between your customer and your bot, from the left side you can go towards this inbox section right over here. So this is the inbox page of my Pabbly Chatflow account. On the left side you can find all the chats. If I'm going to open this chat right over here, you can see these are the same messages between your bot and your customer right over here. During this conversation, our bot has also collected our customer's details like the name and the email address. To find the details on the right side, go to the contact custom fields option right here. You can see under full name, it says demo account. This was the name of the customer you can see right over here. And the email is demo@pabblytudes.com and this is the email, okay? So you can find the entire conversation between your bot and your customers in the inbox section. As this bot is auto-replying, this means this bot has been created successfully using Pabbly Chatflow. That's how easy you can also create a powerful WhatsApp chatbot for your locksmith business using Pabbly Chatflow. From capturing leads to sharing services and prices, it's fully automated. Don't just watch, go ahead and build your own chatbot and you can get 100 free credits when you sign up so you can test and explore your own created bot. Whether you're a locksmith business, service provider or small business owner, you can use this amazing tool Pabbly Chatflow to create your own WhatsApp chatbots. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.